Okay, hey guys, what's up? It is the morning at like 7 a.m. and I literally just got up. I feel kind of good, but like a little bit sick. Not sick as in feeling sick. I just have like a headache and I'm just kind of not here for it. But anyways, so I got up. I'm excited. It's a new day. I just started the shower, so I'm gonna hop in the shower. It's normally the first thing I do. Today I'm working from home, so my workout schedule is gonna be a little different. I think I'm going to get up, go out, make my coffee, go on a walk, and then I think I'm gonna come back, eat breakfast, and then start working. And then I think I'm gonna do a workout at noon, so I'll show you guys that. And then I'm going to probably shower again and then work again. And since like I don't have to get ready, this kind of schedule sometimes works for me. If I don't feel like working out in the morning, I don't push it. I want to make sure that my workout is fun and that I enjoy it, as well as like put my all into it. So if I'm not feeling it, I just know I don't put my all into it. So anyways, I look a little crazy right now, but I don't know why my screen's a little yellow, but that's okay. So I will see you guys in a minute after I shower. I have literally never realized how many holes I have in my leggings until this week. So I just put chapstick on, and my lips, I just like really bite them when I'm stressed out, and I've really been stressed out during this quarantine. And then I'm gonna use Glow. So in the morning when I don't go to work, I normally just use moisturizer. My hair looks wild. This is vitamin C and magnesium. So just like a face serum, moisturizer. Sometimes every night I normally do moisturizer with like tanning drops, because that helps me stay more tan. Why do I look so yellow? I don't understand. I think it'll help whenever it gets a little brighter. What else? I just kind of throw my hair in a bun normally. I really want my hair to grow, and I know putting in a bun every day is like gonna stunt its growth. So I try to like put it in these little clips. They're super cute. Or I try to put it in like braids or like something different where it's kind of down still, but not really. I also use scrunchies a lot because I know that helps more than a hard what do you call it, band, I guess. I also use those little like scrunchy things. So those are my hair tips. I don't really have anything else when I do go into work. So like I work at home and then I work every other day. I'll show you my outfit. There it is. The flex. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so these leggings I've had from Pink forever. A hole here. Literally keep finding holes. So that's not good. But anyways, sorry, I have like a wet spot on me. But anyways, yeah, so I'll probably just put a t-shirt on and then, you know, call it a morning. And then I'll just change whenever I work out, so that way I feel like I have a different outfit. And then I'll shower again. Same process. So, okay, so this is, see, my lip is like chapped. I'm gonna put like lipstick on or something so I don't see it. But this is the outfit of the day, or at least the morning. Sorry, I have my flip camera on. You can't really tell. It's like a puff sleeve, high. Okay, so I tried to do a little bit of makeup, not really. I just filled in my eyebrows and I put on BB cream just a little bit. It's actually not my shade. I think it's too light for me. Because the rest of me is a little bit darker. You can't really tell in this lighting. But yeah, so I just wanted to look a little decent or feel decent when I'm walking. I do look a little different. I don't know why. You know how like those days you wake up and you're like, I just look different and I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, also I did my nails last night. Aren't they cute? They're just gel. And then I just put pink and then like a little sparkly pink. Okay. I'm gonna go make my coffee now because I'm dying. My little baby plant is looking really fun. Coffee. Please help me. So I'm making French toast. I'm super excited. and eggs this morning. I haven't made French toast in forever. I've only made eggs and bread. And then I'm going to drink some coffee because I'm fucking tired as fuck. Whoa, super hot. And then I'm gonna open up my windows. This is post walk also. I didn't want to film my walk because I wanted it to be like kind of for me. Look at this cute little fern. My mama got it for me. It's super cute. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna take my laundry downstairs while some of this is cooking and yeah, get it started. I'm not sure why all my camera is yellow. This lighting is like really yellow, but this is my food. Let's see if we can find better lighting. Oh yeah, here it is for all of its glory. Okay, I have been working all day. I'm currently sitting down in my living room. There's my tea and my water, and then my laptop just went black. My phone, blanket, the window, the TV. I did have music playing earlier. I can't really concentrate with TV on, but I can concentrate with podcasts, which is weird. I think it's because of the emotion and stuff. I want to know what's happening. But during my lunch break, I watched a little bit of TV, just so I ate. I meant to go on another walk, and I haven't yet, so hopefully I do that soon. But I'm going to assume that I'm going to work until 5 today. I thought I would work until 4, but this project is taking a little bit longer than I thought. And then I'm going to edit a YouTube video. I'll probably go on at least a walk. I want to work out outside. Or just maybe in... Like, I've never worked out with the TV on, but I might do it. Also, I might crop a lot of these little things out. But yeah, so anyways, I'm so excited about this sweatshirt. It just is so comfy. Yeah. Anyways... Well, I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to try to put a couple cute little vids in between. Okay guys, what's up? I am going to be doing my jump rope routine workout. I'll probably just do a little bit, like maybe a minute of filming so you guys can see it. But whenever I go, this is my women's best shirt. And then I have Victoria's Secret pink pants on. And then I'm going to use this waist trainer because I just feel like it helps me sweat more in my waist and it helps me burn more. I feel like I always feel a little bit thinner afterward, and it's really cold out, so I think I'm gonna wear a sweatshirt, but for the purposes of the video I probably won't. But anyways, so I don't always wear a So here's my dinner. It is chicken parmesan with mozzarella and parmesan cheese and pepper and ranch. My roommate's over here working out. Zooms in.
Oh god.
I don't have any breadcrumbs for this, so I just used saltine crackers and garlic and then marinara sauce. And I'm about to drink chocolate milk instead of protein powder because I just don't feel like drinking protein powder right now, so. Okay, so I just showered. I'm putting away my laundry currently and I'm watching TV. So my hair looks a little crazy. I need to brush it out. I just bathed, I guess. I didn't shower my hair. But yeah, that is all for today. I'm just going to drink tea, write in my journal, probably pass out because I'm just so exhausted. But let me know what else you guys want to see from me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this a lot. It took me a long time to film it, and I barely got it filmed with everything I was doing today, so that's fun. But anyways, night. Thanks so much for watching.